Gold is near historic high. Silver is moving faster than many stocks. And investors around the world are asking one question: is this just a hype or the starting of something bigger? So, starting today, I am beginning a new series on this channel about gold and silver investing, especially for foreigners living in Japan. Because recently, gold and silver have become one of the hottest topic in the investment world. But the real question is, why are they moving? And what should beginners understand before investing? So let's break it down one by one. So let's start with why gold and silver became a hot topic. Over the past year, investors around the world have been watching gold and silver closely. There are three main reasons. The first one is inflation concerns. When the cost of living rises, people look for assets that hold value. The second one, interest rate uncertainty. Market react strongly when central banks change policy. The third one is global uncertainty. When the world becomes unpredictable, investors move towards assets they believe are safer. So this is why gold and silver suddenly became a headlines news again. Then let's start with gold. What runs behind gold prices? Let's first understand gold. Gold usually moves based on interest rate, inflation expectations, currency strength, especially the US dollar, and central bank buying. Basically, gold is not driven by company profit or economic growth alone. It is mainly driven by confidence and stability. That's why investors often call gold a safe haven asset. But there is one important thing beginners should know. Yes, gold usually moves slower than stocks or crypto. So it is designed to preserve value, not create for quick profit. Then let's see what trends behind silver prices. In case of silver, it is different. Silver is both a precious metal and an industrial demand one. Yes, silver is used in solar panels, electronics, and electric vehicles. This means silver price depends on both investors and industry demand. Because of this, silver usually moves faster than gold. So when market rises, silver can also rise faster. But at the same time, when market falls, silver can also drop faster. So that's why silver is often more volatile than gold. So far we have seen what drives behind gold and silver. Then let's see what experts are predicting this year. Many analysts believe gold may remain strong as long as inflation remains a concern, interest rates stabilize, and global uncertainty continues. But in case of silver, it is expected to remain volatile but supported by industrial demand, especially in renewable energy and technology sectors. But there is something important here to make a note of it. Yes, experts can predict the trend, but no one can predict exact prices. Especially for beginners, should never invest based on only price prediction. So understanding the reasons behind movement is more important than guessing numbers. Now we come to an important portion of our video. Yes, why this topic matters for foreigners in Japan. For foreigners living in Japan, gold and silver investing has some unique challenges. Many people think of buying physical gold or silver first. But in reality, there are several things to consider. Yes, the first and foremost, storage and how can they take back to their home country because of the duty charges. The next thing is buying and selling spreads. And then sometimes additional cost or paperwork when reselling. So this is why many investors in Japan consider ETFs instead of physical metals. But How exactly can foreigners invest in easily Japan? And what is the role of tax-free accounts like NISA? So in the next episode video, I will explain something very important for foreigners in Japan. Should you buy physical gold or is ETF through NISA the smarter option with tax-free? So if you are interested in investing in gold or silver while living in Japan, don't miss the next video. If this video helped you understand gold and silver better, consider subscribing for simple investing explanation for foreigners in Japan. Thank you. Bye bye.